If you have started sewing but your stitches are not straight, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to practice and sew straight and neat lines step by step. Come with me. For this practice, you will need a piece of fabric. You need a piece of fabric and something to draw lines with. Like I have chalk and ruler here. So, to improve your stitching, you need to draw straight lines on your fabric, just like this. Draw straight line on your fabric, just as I am doing. Hope you are seeing that. Make sure it is straight. So these lines will guide you to sew straight. Yes, these lines will guide your sewing. Yes, guide you to sew straight neatly. You can also practice this on paper. Maybe you don't have any fabric. You can also draw lines on paper and practice with it. So I'm going to draw one more. So I draw few lines. Now let's move to the sewing machine. Then you place your fabric under the presser foot and turn the hand wheel so your needle pokes the line exactly. Drag your thread gently, pull it to the back. You put then you put the presser foot down. You start sewing. Then before you start sewing, you have to slow down. Slow down. You follow the line carefully. Don't rush. And then when you're sewing and you're sewing with lines, you look at the lines. You don't look at the needle. When you're sewing and there's a line, you're following a line. You look at the line and not the needle. Yes. So you guide the fabric. Don't pull it. Don't drag it. This is very important. Just let the machine move the fabric. Let the machine move the fabric. Don't drag. Don't pull. Don't push. The machine will do its work. Always watch the line, not the needle. You start sewing, you back stitch, you start sewing, you look at the line, you guide it, you guide and sew on the line that you do. Look at the line, not the needle. So if you're looking at the line that is close to the needle, that the part closest to the needle, where there is line, that's where you look at. Okay? Keep sewing slowly. When you get to the end, you back stitch. So you pull out. So are you seeing how the stitch just follows the line I drew? Exactly. They are not in different places because I was looking at the line and not the needle. And if your stitches are not straight, if your stitching is not straight, it may be that you are sewing too fast. Or maybe you're pulling the fabric. Just those can be the reason why your stitches are not straight. Practice this for like 10 to 15 minutes every day. So in fact, you're sewing improving, you'll see improvement quickly in your sewing. Practice like 10 to 15 minutes every day. So slowly, take your time, practice every day, 10 to 15 minutes, you'll see improvement. Your stitches will be, you'll see improvement. Don't skip any parts of this video as there's a lot to learn. Like I said, practice, practice, practice. Yes, practice, you'll see improvement in your sewing. Practice this and you'll see improvement in your sewing. 10 to 15 minutes every day is enough for you to practice. Then you improve and get better. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to sew corners neatly. Subscribe and sew along with me.